Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to easily remove people or unwanted objects from your photos using your Xiaomi device. Whether you're looking to clean up the background or highlight the main subject of your shot, we've got you covered with a simple step-by-step guide. Let's dive in. First, open the Gallery app on your Xiaomi device and find the photo you'd like to edit. Once selected, you'll notice a menu bar at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the Edit option to get started. Next, you'll be taken to the editing interface. Look for the AI, Artificial Intelligence tool at the bottom and tap on it. This will open a set of smart editing features. Here, choose the Erase option. Now, you'll see another toolbar with options. Select Remove People. This feature is designed to automatically detect and mark any individuals in the photo. Simply tap on the person you want to remove. A rectangle or square with an X will appear around them. Tap the X to finalize the selection, and the AI will take care of the rest. Take a moment to review your edits. If you're happy with the result, tap Save or Export to store your beautifully enhanced photo in your gallery. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can transform your pictures and achieve the perfect look. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.